Connectivity. In a world of ever-changing information, we need fast, secure, and reliable access to data without interference. How well we connect determines how well we move ahead to a world where roads are safer, a world where homes are smarter, a world where grids are more robust and reliable, a world where factories are quicker, a world where cities are more energy efficient. At Texas Instruments, we enable connections with simplicity, efficiency, and safety, so the world is a better place for everyone. Our broad portfolio of wired and wireless connectivity solutions help you meet industrial, automotive, and communication design requirements and regulatory standards at a competitive price. Texas Instruments, creating new possibilities with connectivity.